I'm Kim Anderson from ThriftlyLittleMom.com, and this is a video to show you how to use your Cricut Explore Air 2. So, to be honest with you, I had this thing in storage for quite a while before I had the guts to open the box. It took somebody taking me step by step through the process to give me the confidence to even crack open the box. But once I did, I had so much fun, and I am literally obsessed with this thing now. People try to tell me this. It is way easier than you think. And in this video, I'm hoping that I will give you the courage to take this out of the box, plug it in, and get started on your own craft projects. All right, let's look at the cords that come with your machine. You're gonna take these cords and plug them in on the back side of your machine. So go ahead and turn it around and you'll be able to see the spots a little bit better. Plug each of the matching cords into the matching holes. Then you can take the other USB end and plug it into your computer. Let's talk about how to open. Push the open button. They make it pretty darn easy. So now we're going to get into the control panel aspect. So this is fairly simple. You've got your power button, and then you have a wheel here that when you turn it, it helps you select the material that you're using for your project. From paper to vinyl, iron-on, light cardstock, bonded fabric, and even poster board. Sometimes you'll need to use the custom option for special projects or heavier materials. This button is what slides your material onto the machine. This is what makes the project go, and this is what pauses the project. You'll have a multitude of tools that you can use, and you'll also need a mat. These mats are what guide your materials into the machine, and they vary in the type of grip that they have. They're very sticky. There's light grip, standard grip, heavy grip. You'll want to find which ones you need. When you get ready to do a project, you'll have to pull this film off the top, and then you'll have to replace it when you're done. Here's an example of me loading up a mat. This material is very sticky, and I'm using a red vinyl. I'm putting the material side up because I'm going to be sticking this onto an ornament. As you can see, the bottom is very sticky, and so it holds the material in place when it's being pulled into the machine. You can use this tool to flatten out and get all the air bubbles out of your design. The key here is sometimes you won't need to use up that much space, so you can always cut it shorter depending on the size of your design. So to get those gorgeous designs that you're looking for, you're gonna have to tell the machine what to make, and you do this using Design Space. This is a Cricut program that allows you to be able to print your gorgeous designs. For the purpose of this video, I'm not gonna get into the website and app side of things for now. For now, I just wanna cover and show you exactly how the machine works, how you get it set up, and how it is loaded with the vinyl or other materials that you're using, and how the basic functions work on the machine. Any project video that I make in the future should have a step-by-step walkthrough with Design Space included, so you won't be left in the dark. Once you have your design ready to go, you have to load the mat using the blinking arrow. Sorry, this is a bit shaky. Then the computer will prompt you to press the go button. It's very step-by-step. It is very hard to mess up the Cricut instructions because the computer program really does take you step-by-step through every piece of the puzzle. And then the machine goes. It makes your design. Next, I'm having to weed this design by peeling back the parts that I don't want and leaving the parts that I do. So these are some cute little vinyl monograms that I made. Sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's more difficult. It depends on the thickness of the material. Now I'm gonna need to get a little bit more detailed with my little pick and pull off some of the pieces that need to be removed. Okay, I hope you found that tutorial helpful. If you did, I hope that you will like and subscribe to my channel and know that I've got more projects coming your way that will help you to be able to use this to create more parties, celebrations, gatherings, and holidays that everyone loves.